Hello and welcome all of you to BenQ Smart Projector webinar. I am Srijit Nair from BenQ Middle East. Thank you so much for registering and joining this webinar. This is the world's first all-in-one smart projector from BenQ. I will start with explaining why smart projector is different than regular projectors and how it can be useful for work from home or for personal entertainment. BenQ Smart Projector is fully packed with amazing features suitable for all kind of work environment as well as for different age group. Let me show you the important features first, then we move on to the demonstration. In this demonstration, it's organized in a way that you will understand 100% of its operation and features of this BenQ Smart Projector. Let us move on to the main subject. Why BenQ Smart Projector? What is the purpose of a smart projector? There is no PC required for the smart projector, and it can read files from the USB directly. There is no file restrictions. Most of the standard file formats are supported. Video conferencing ready. You can connect a video camera and do the video conferencing. Wi-Fi and cloud access is available. Wireless projection from any platform is possible. Broadcast messaging is possible. Install your favorite applications are possible. Latest Bluetooth connectivity is included. Remote control for easy management and best for office, education or home. All these features are inbuilt inside a projector, which is called the BenQ Smart Projector. Okay, now we will go to the demonstration, which is a video demonstration. You will enjoy it and then we will meet again. To start with it, we will explain you what happens as soon as you unbox the BenQ Smart Projector. Once it is unboxed, you will see the major accessories. One is a wireless dongle, another one is a remote control. Of course, you will have the basic cables, power cable and display cables available with the projector, but these are the major accessories which you have to consider as important. You need to place this wireless dongle inside the projector. There is a safe enclosure. You can open the enclosure with a screwdriver. You can insert the wireless dongle inside and you can close it. This is the basic setup of BenQ projector, smart projector. Once it is done, you can power on the projector and you are ready to go. Let us have a look at the available connectivity ports as well as the basic buttons available in the projector. So it will give you a quick impression on what is the projector's capability. We have two USB ports available in the projector. You can use wireless keyboard and mouse or any charging devices or something like that. And you have a firmware update option available here and a LAN port available here. And you have an HDMI, you have VGA input and VGA output for external monitor. You have audio in, audio out as well as RS-232 control for external control systems. And looking at the buttons over here, you have a power button, you have a temperature, light and power indicator over here. Some navigation buttons for the keystone, volume control, etc. Source selection, blank, and you have Android control. You can go back to the home page or you can go back to the previous applications or go to the settings by using these buttons. Let us see the interface of BenQ Smart Projector. Unlike traditional projectors, in BenQ Smart Projector, the interface is very attractive because it's just like you are using in your mobile applications, in your mobile phone. Similar way, you have a very attractive interface over here. You have two options to operate the interface. One is with the remote control. This remote control, you can use the arrow marks to navigate or you can use the mouse button over here to get the mouse symbol. Okay. The most convenient way to use this smart projector is using the BenQ application. You can find a BenQ smart control application. Once it is installed in your mobile, you have to make sure that your mobile and the projector are under the same network. Once it is done, you can navigate the projector completely through the BenQ Smart application. You will have option to use a mouse also wherever you are moving. It will be applicable. You can navigate anywhere including the settings of the projector. It is very interesting feature to use. Other than the remote control and BenQ Smart Projector application, we have one more way to control the projector, which is using a wireless keyboard and mouse. You just need to connect the wireless keyboard receiver to the projector, any one of the USB port, and you are ready to go. You can see the pointer over there. You can navigate anywhere in the projector. You can open any application, or you can go to the settings. So complete control of the projector is available, just like you are using a PC. So there are total 3 ways to control the projector or operate the projector. One is using BenQ Smart Control application, which can be downloaded free from Apple Store or Play Store. Another one is using the remote control, and the third one is using the wireless keyboard and mouse. Let us see the smart functions of BenQ Smart Projector more into the user interface. As soon as you power on the BenQ Smart Projector, you will see this interface. This is the home page. You can see which SSID network you are connected. You can see the name of the projector, and you can see some recently used applications, wireless projection, guide, recommended functions, etc. Then you will see a login option here. This is for you to access your cloud data. Another option here for you to navigate between the sources. You can navigate between HDMI and VGA and USB file manager. And you have an application option. Here you can see all the installed applications in the projector, and you can navigate to the settings options. Let us see now how to connect the BenQ Smart Projector to an existing network, as well as how to create a hotspot from the BenQ Smart Projector. We can go to the settings. You can see internet option. You can, if it is turned off, you can turn it on. Then you will be able to see all the existing networks available in the area. You can choose your preferred network and enter the password. Then you will be able to connect. You can enter the password with the keyboard itself. You can directly type the password and you will be able to connect it. Then if you want to create a hotspot, creating a hotspot is required in a situation that you have a guest in the office and you are not ready to give the Wi-Fi password of the office to the guest, but you want the presentation from the guest wirelessly. Actually, this function is using for wireless mirroring without the usage of existing network SSID. We will see now how to enable the hotspot from the BenQ Smart Projector. You can click on the hotspot. You can rename the hotspot with a name you prefer, and you can put a password which you prefer, and turn on the hotspot. Once it is turned on, this hotspot will be available and your guests can simply connect it to the hotspot. It will support 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz depend upon your device which you are going to use. With this hotspot, you can choose whether it is 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. I hope you understand how to connect the projector to the internet, as well as how to connect the hotspot, how to enable the hotspot from the projector, how simple it is. You know that latest speaker technologies are coming with the Bluetooth connectivity inbuilt. So considering this in mind, BenQ Smart Projector is already equipped with the Bluetooth technology. If you want to connect a high quality speaker system with a projector, normally you need to connect HDMI cable or US or audio cable, different cables, but with the BenQ Smart Projector, you only need to connect it with the Bluetooth. You do not need to connect any cable to pair audio with a Bluetooth speaker system. So we will show you now how you can connect it. Once the Bluetooth is turned on in the speaker, you can navigate to the settings. You can turn on the Bluetooth, and you can see the list of Bluetooth devices available here. You can click on it and you can see it is connected. It is very simple. Now you will be able to enjoy the Bluetooth speaker. There is no cable required. It is very simple to connect. Let us see how convenient it is to play or present file contents from a USB drive through BenQ Smart Projector. Other than traditional projectors, in BenQ Smart Projector, you are not restricted with the file type or the size of the file. Let us see how to operate it now. We are connecting the USB drive. We can use any one of the USB port and we can navigate to the file menu. We are opening the file manager. You can see USB drive here. You can see all the files available in this. We are opening one video file now. You can control the volume. You can move forward or backward, completely just like you are using in a PC. Other than the video files, you can open an Excel file. You have WPS Office installed inside the projector, so it is very convenient to open any Word document or Microsoft Office documents. Using the mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out. It's very convenient to use. If you want to draw on top of any Excel file, you can use the finger and then you can draw or highlight, or you can highlight. Okay. You can save it in the same Excel file format, or you can save it as PDF or something, or you can discard. Now let us see how to open a PowerPoint. Okay, similar way, in the PowerPoint it's very easy to navigate. If you want to write on top of anything, you can choose the pen, use the finger, then you can draw on top of any presentation, and you can erase also. So it is very convenient. Without the use of a PC, you will be able to connect a USB drive simply to the projector and you are directly ready to go. Any format, you don't have any restrictions on the standard formats. You can either use with the USB with the wireless keyboard, or even you can use with the remote control also. Even using with the remote control, it is very easy to operate. While you are doing the presentation, your remote control is having a laser option. By clicking the laser, you can point it. Okay, you can go back by pressing the back button, or just simply by pressing the home page, you will be back to the home page. I hope you understand how easy it is, how convenient it is to use with the BenQ Smart Projector. You don't have to depend upon a PC, so we call it PC-less. Let us see how can we install different applications, as well as how can we browse internet using BenQ Smart Projector. Please keep in mind that BenQ Smart Projector is designed not only for office purpose, you can use it for work from home also you can use it for enjoyment at home. So let us see what are the options available. You have an internet browser, which is a Firefox browser. You can go to any website opening the browser, similar way just like you are doing it in the PC, and you can go to YouTube. If you want to play a very nice video to your kid at home, you can play a video. To exit from the video, you can just right click on the mouse. Okay. If you want to install any additional applications, you have an Aptoide TV store here. You can search and install additional applications such as games. You can choose one of the favorite games which you want to try. So in all the way, it is very convenient to browse internet, play YouTube videos, install additional applications. Everything is equipped in the BenQ Smart Projector for your convenient way of use. BenQ Smart Projector is equipped with a very convenient wireless mirroring feature. So let us go through the wireless mirroring feature, how it is working. To mirror any content from iOS, Android or Windows devices, you do not need to install any application in the devices or in the projector. You can simply use the native mirroring features inside the mobile devices. We have to make sure that our projector as well as the phone or the mobile device under the same network. It need to be connected with the same SSID. Then you can just swipe down and you can use the screen mirroring from iOS and select the projector. It will be communicating the projector and mirroring will happen. You can see now whatever we are doing in the mobile is mirrored already, and the performance is very nice. And if you are considering the Android devices, we will disconnect. To disconnect, we can simply go to the screen mirroring and stop mirroring. Okay, let us see the Android mobile device mirroring also. You can see it's mirroring. It's very convenient and fast. Okay, now let us see mirroring from the Windows devices. In the Windows devices also, you do not need to install any application. You can just open the Google Chrome browser, click on this option here and you can select the cast, and from here you can select the projector. Before that, you can select the source cast desktop and click on the projector and share. Now you can see whatever you are doing in the PC is shared on the projector. To stop the sharing, you can click on the stop share option here and click on the device to stop casting. Hope now you have understood how easy it is, how convenient it is to do a wireless mirroring from any of these mobile devices or from Windows device to the BenQ projector. We all know that TeamViewer is one of the very useful software which is allowing the IT managers to remotely control the PCs. So similar way, to remotely control the projector, you have an amazing option to install the TeamViewer in the BenQ projector and you can control it from your PC. You can control it from anywhere in the world. Let us see how to control it. You can see there is a TeamViewer application already installed. It's a TeamViewer Quick Support application in the projector. You can open it. It will show you an ID. This ID need to be typed in the PC, which is already typed in, and you can connect it. Projector will pop up a permission message which just need to allow. Now you can see projector is being controlled from the PC. You don't have any restriction. You can go to settings or any applications. You can troubleshoot any applications where the user is facing there, and you can simply close it. I hope you understand how simple it is, how efficient is this projector. You will be able to control the projector from anywhere in the world using TeamViewer application. For the convenience of IT management, we have a solution called BenQ Device Management for group control of BenQ projectors. Once the projectors are distributed across the classrooms, IT manager can control these projectors simply sitting inside the IT room. So it is called BenQ Device Management Solution. You can see the solution in this way, that it can be power on, power off, task management, identification, and all the options which you are using with the remote control can be used with the BenQ Device Management Solution. While we are considering to implement a video conferencing solution, there are many factors coming into our mind. What kind of camera to be used, what kind of software need to be used, what other equipments required in the room. With BenQ Smart Projector, we are narrowing down all these requirements. Very simple. You just need to connect a camera. We are using a very small camera here. Simply connect a camera to the BenQ projector. You can use one of the USB port in the projector. Position your camera and you can start your favorite application. Application in the sense, you can start Bliss, you can start Zoom, Teams, whichever convenient application which is having an Android application available. So let us see how we are going to use the application, do the video conferencing via Zoom application. So we will open Zoom. We are calling a person in our contact list. At the same time, you can schedule the meeting also. You can directly call the meeting. You can invite the meeting. Either way, based on your convenience, you can organize it. This is the fastest way. We can directly dial a person and accept when he joins it. Hello Deepak, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, Sujit. How are you doing?
Everything fine, everything fine. We are trying a video conferencing solution. We are demonstrating it, and via smart projector using a small Logitech camera. So very clear. You are, am I audible very well? You can hear me very well?
Yeah, it's very clear. The audio and video both are very good.
Okay. Thank you very much. We will disconnect now. Thank you for your time.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Now you have seen how simple it is to do a video conferencing with a BenQ Smart Projector. Similar way, you can choose your favorite application to do the video conferencing. BenQ products and solutions are always moving head to head with the latest technology. So have you ever imagined a projector can access the cloud data and do the presentation without a PC or even connecting a USB drive? Yes, with the BenQ Smart Projector, you can access your cloud data and do the presentation from the cloud files. Let us see how can we do that. In the home page, you can see a login option here. Either by typing the username and password here, or simply with the QR code login, you will be able to log into the cloud. So we are scanning with the QR code now, and I will be typing the username and password in my mobile, and you will see it's automatically logging in. You can see login successfully, and you can see here you are already logged in. So now to open the file, you can see an icon here, AMS files, which is called Account Management System files. We will be explaining you how to create it. By clicking here, you are opening your cloud data. You have an option to open your Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive. I am now opening the Google Drive here. I will open a PDF. Now you can see how convenient it is to use a BenQ Smart Projector to open your cloud data and do the presentation. Now let us discuss about a public addressing system or a messaging system which is inbuilt inside the projector. Consider you have this projector installed in a school. There are many different classrooms. If the principal or administrator want to call a specific teacher or to send a specific message to a specific classroom or to a group of classroom or to all the classroom, it is very convenient to do a messaging in BenQ Smart Projector from anywhere in the world. You can send a message, text message, an image or a YouTube video or a normal video file to one projector, to a group of projector or to all the projectors in the school, or even you can schedule for a different period of time. Consider in the next month you have to send a message for a parent teacher train meeting. You can schedule this message and it will automatically pop up on that time. Or a situation, consider that every day morning you want the national anthem to be played in a specific time. That also can be scheduled in BenQ Smart Projector. Automatically on that time the national anthem will be played. Now let us see how to configure this. To configure this, you need to have an account in BenQ portal, which is BenQ Identity and Access Management portal. We will log in here. There is a registration option. Once you are registered, you can see an option called Assign Broadcast. Once you are in the broadcast menu, you will be able to see the BenQ projector. So this projector, we have renamed it as BenQ Demo Smart Projector. You can click on the projector and you can click on the create interrupt or schedule based on your requirement. We are just clicking on the interrupt option here, and we can select a template, and we are sending a message that and you can confirm it. When you confirm, you can see that message is immediately coming on the projector. So this messaging is not only restricted to text message. You can see in the system here, you can send a text, you can choose image, you can choose video, and there are different options with the different premium licenses. Now to exit from this message, you can simply click on the message using the mouse, and you can confirm the message as you read. So this is sending a message to one projector. You have option to group different projectors and distribute the content based on the requirements. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the projector. Hope all the best features of the smart projectors are already in your mind. And thank you very much for participating here, and we look forward to meet you again in another webinar. Thank you so much.